So last night I replaced the exhaust on my 2014 Subaru Forester. I got the Nameless Performance axle back with the muffler delete. It only came to like a little over $200 with shipping and everything. So far, after driving it last night and driving it this morning, it sounds awesome. I did a little cold start video, or not necessarily cold start. Did a video after I finished it and started it, and I did it before with what the stock sounds like. And then I'm gonna do a little video drop what it sounds like in the cab, and then I might do one what it sounds like on the outside, like a drive-by. But it sounds awesome. It sounds just like a WRX, you know, from what I can tell. But obviously it's not, you know, the WRX has a 2.0 liter and this is a 2.5, but it still has that gritty, mean sound to it that Subaru owners all know. On the inside of the cab from driving, it's really not loud. Like I haven't experienced like really any drone. I'm used to driving, or I came from a Silverado and I had the exhaust cut off right under the cab. So like when you're going down the highway, it drones pretty bad, but I still liked it then, being the V8. But this one's nice. You definitely hear it more in the lower gears than the higher, but you can still kind of hear, you know, when you rev it up a little bit, when you're revving in like 5th or 6th gear, you still hear it, but it definitely sounds awesome in the lower gears. So we'll get on the road a little bit here and get started. All right, so here we are. We're at a red light now. Don't try this at home. Here we are. We're starting off in 1st gear. We're just gonna drive, you know, respectively. I'm not really gonna get on it or hammer on it or anything like that right now. I don't know about you guys, but driving a stick shift, really I just sit there and fidget with it the whole time while I'm driving. All right, yeah, right. Like I said, right now I'm just gonna drive it respectively. Sure if you can even hear it on the audio on here, but it just sounds like perfect. It's not over the top, it's not being like a douchebag, it's just that perfect sound. I'll review the audio later and make sure that this clip worked. Other than that, I mean, I might try to hammer on it here in a little bit and see how that goes. And then that'd be all. And yeah, I mean, you really can't go wrong with the exhaust, and I wouldn't pick anything else. If I could have gone back, I would have ordered the same one. I'm happy with it. I checked the welds before I installed it, made sure everything was good, everything checked out. The kit itself comes with the gasket and everything, gasket and the 2 bolts. Removing the old one was a little bit of a pain. There, I got a little one a little bit. Like I was saying, removing the old one The muffler was a little bit of a pain because the bolts were rusted. Other than that, I mean, it came out pretty good. I had the removal tool for the rubber hangers, and everything came out everything came out fine. And then the installation was a little tricky. I mean, a little tricky, but not really. You just had to, I don't know. I mean, it was easy. I can't really say there was any trick to it. Another thing, like, this is like my first car I've owned. I'm really happy with the way this thing handles. It's awesome. But I mean, that's just, most of you guys probably already know, or have heard what it's like. But so yeah, I think this is just be it. I'm not gonna make an outside video right now of a drive-by or anything. This should just be it. Yeah, you can't go wrong if you own any of the cars, WRX, Impreza, Forester, Outback. I would definitely recommend the Nameless Performance Exhaust. I didn't get the muffler option. I just got the muffler delete, and yeah, it sounds awesome. I recommend it 100%. I think this will be the end of this video then. Take care, and have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel for more. I basically do a bunch of different stuff, regarding outdoors, cars, equipment, guns, knives. I shouldn't have said guns. I take that back, sort of. Let's just say gun safes and the contents of which so belong inside. Alright guys, take care, bye.